been meaning to wait until your birthday, but I suppose... Hello, Daddy! Yes, it's just absorbing kittens for you. In a basket. Oh, there's a basket. Oh, look, Daddy, look. There's 4 of them. Mew, mew, mew. They're adorable, even when they're not facing the right way. Mew, mew. I'm going to name them. I'm going to name you Mew, mew. Pestilence. Ah, kitty, kitty, kitty. I'm going to name you Kittens. Mew, mew. I'm going to name you Mew, mew. Stripe. Stripey, stripey, stripe. Mew, mew. And I'm going to name you. Oh, you. I'm going to name you. Aw. I'm going to name you Fluffy. Aw. Mew, mew. Oh, well, Belladonna, do you feel better? Yes, Daddy. Daddy, I do, thank you. Say, Daddy, what's that? Oh, my goodness, Belladonna, I haven't seen one of those in years. That's a dodo bird. What's a dodo bird? Well, they're extinct. Really? What's it doing here? Oh, I don't know. It's not part of the story. But why do you think it's here now? Oh, I think it's to let people know that we're going to be extinct if we don't raise enough money for the Kickstarter. Oh, Daddy, no! Oh, there it goes. Oh, Daddy, I'm so sad, Daddy. Well, things will come out all right in the end, as long as we raise enough money for the Kickstarter.